potatoes by Bruce.
Today we're doing our video on harvesting sweet potatoes from a wire barrel. We made a video earlier on how to build the wire barrel. It is made from a cut end of a 55-gallon barrel and wrapped with 2x4 steel welded fence. The soil mixture that we used is 4 parts mulch and 1 part sand. I am using a pitchfork to sort through the soil mixture to find the sweet potatoes. I'm then dumping the excess soil into a sifting device that I created. Once enough of the soil has been removed from the wire barrel, I am able to pick it up and dump the remaining soil onto the sieve. The barrel held approximately 6 cubic feet of soil and yielded 7 pounds and 6 ounces of sweet potato.